Hi everyone, this is Aaron from OneSize0.net. This one will be just a quite simple, I would say, unboxing and also the overview of the ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16. In general, the ASUS ZenWiFi series poses a very elegant look whenever you put at it, wherever you place it, whether it's in your living room or in the room. And usually it comes in 2 packs or 3 packs, but the one that we received over here, particularly this BQ16, comes in the 2 pack. As you can see, there is 2 routers over here. One will be acting as a main router and another one will be acting as the ASUS AiMesh. So without further ado, why don't we just quickly unbox it. So as you can see, this is completely sealed. While we unseal this, we can also see some of the features listed at the back over here. And as far as I know, according to what ASUS has briefed to me, this actually can cover with the 2 devices connected together, which means the router as well, another one that acts as an AiMesh. This can cover up to 8,000 square feet. This can even scale further if, let's say, you have other ASUS compatible routers, whether it's an AX router or a Wi-Fi AC router. As long as it's compatible and make sure you have updated to the latest firmware, it's gonna work as well. Just that in certain area, you will get Wi-Fi 6 coverage maybe because you are using a Wi-Fi 6 AiMesh router. And it has to be an ASUS router to be fully compatible. So just give me a very short moment while I see how am I going to unbox this actually. This box is pretty big and heavy. I'll be right back, alright? So to save time, I'll just unpack it like this. And as you can see, this is the 2 units of the BQ16, which is a Wi-Fi 7 router, just to reiterate again. And this is how it looks like actually. And you can see over here, there's one USB 3.0 port, whereby you can connect it to a USB printer, and then you can just print wirelessly, or you can use it like a NAS, like for example, connecting it to an external hard drive or external SSD. You have a few LAN ports over here. Both of these can work as LAN or as WAN. WAN meaning that you can actually connect it to your ISP. So this is actually the port for the DC adapter, and this is the power switch. And the rest of it, you can connect it to extend routers, to extend to another switch, or to connect other peripherals, such as wired network printers, or to a NAS. This one is actually running at 10 gigabit. And the first WAN and LAN port is also runs on the 10 gigabit network. So this one is the second unit, which is exactly the same. They do even supply this, which is included. This is actually a Cat6 cable. Yes, I'm right. This is a Cat6 cable, LAN cable, and 2 sets of power supply. And that is pretty much what you get by purchasing this ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16. So in the next few days, I'll be testing this router, connected with a mix of Wi-Fi AX, also by ASUS. Of course, it has to be an ASUS router in order to extend the coverage, not just limited by these 2 units of BQ16, but this also can be connected and compatible with other ASUS routers, as long it has or it is upgraded to support AiMesh, such as the AX53 example from ASUS. You can also mix it with TUF router or even ROG based router, because it also produced by ASUS actually. So that is pretty much about it, what I have to show you for today. So do stay tuned on my full review of this ASUS ZenWiFi BQ16. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to us, and I will see you in the next one.